Hi, this is Ebe Dancel, and you're watching Mix, the beat of our culture. Very blessed. Kasi iba yung bagong sulat mo yung kanta, tapos nakikinig yung generation mo, at ibang bagay yung tumagos sa susunod pang henerasyon. So, ano yun, accomplishment yun that I don't take for granted. Ah, First of all, I don't think that any of my songs will ever be a hit. Yeah, so yung focus talaga is on writing the best possible song at that moment. Just capturing the moment. That's my job as a songwriter. How far it goes, ay hindi ko na call yan. Call na ng audience yan. They like it or they hate it. You know, that's up to them na. Dami. Kasi, pero alam mo, sinabi yan sa akin ng mga producers ko, si Raymond Marasigan saka si Buddy Zabala ng Eraserheads. May time kasi na may isang kanta pa, papalit-palit kami ng areglo. Tapos sabi nila, can you decide on an arrangement that you like at the moment and then just live with the consequence? Kasi over time, especially when you get older, you listen to your older songs, maraming moments, sana ganito yung ginawa ko. Sana hindi ko sinabi yan. Sana ganito yung pagkasabi ko. Pero, yun, for better or worse, yun talaga kasi yung mga kanta nung ni-record sila. Yun yung purpose ng mga kanta at that moment. Lakambini. Because, first of all, it's a song about the love story of Andres Bonifacio and his wife Gregoria de Jesus. So on that level, because I'm a big Andres Bonifacio fan, parang malalim pa rin yung awit na yon para sa akin. Special na special pa rin hanggang ngayon. Well, we already did one because this is the repeat. We did one in 2020, and I love performing with orchestras. When we did that, it did so well that we decided to do another one. But you know, as you know, nagka-COVID. So na-delay lang ng konti ng mga 5 years. Pero tuloy na ulit. Yeah, there's my main role is to choose the songs, okay? But there's a big team that's responsible for everything else. You have Paolo Valenciano, the concert director. You have Chino David of Hale, the musical director. You have 20 guys from the Manila String Machine. So we all do our respective parts para hindi overwhelming kasi 25 songs to eh. Pag isang tao lang gagawa nun, baka hindi ko kayanin. Kahit anong kanta ng Carpenters, kasi growing up yun yung laging pinapatugtog ng parents ko. Oh, songs, plural. There's Home by Bruno Major. There's all versions of Moon River. There's God Only Knows by the Beach Boys. Almost all of the songs by the Beatles. So, parang whole day driving na yun. Walang Hanggang Paalam by Joey Ayala. A song I will play when I need motivation, Moon River. Maggie Rogers, Love You for a Long Time. Where now? Lakambini. Also, Bawat Daan. Moon River. Because My mom used to sing that when I was young. Siya yung unang-unang boses na narinig ko kumanta. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng bumili ng tickets to the concert. Salamat sa lahat na stream ng aking mga awit, luma man o bago, basta sinulat ko at pinapakinggan nyo pa rin. Ako po'y lubos na nagpapasalamat. Whether you're in the Philippines or somewhere out there, different part of the world, maraming salamat.